David with Weise Landscaping, and here I have to say something tonight. 5 main fails, things to avoid, regrets maybe about your landscaping project. Number 1 is almost nobody uses enough quality planting mix. Even if you have a small space and you think, well, there's no room for planting mix, there is. Don't just buy a bag or two at the nursery and spread a thin layer around or put some right in the planting holes. Don't do this. Use way more than you think. Number 2, prep your space. Start with a concept. Really think about the scenes that are appropriate for your location, and also what makes you tick. What's great for your passion? What makes your imagination sparkle? Is it a dry creek to cut through some of the space to make separate beds? You may need elevations to set scenes that are higher and lower. There may need to be some rocks and other materials, driftwood maybe. Think of ways to make your space look great before you bring in any plants, I should say. Third fail is going to the nursery without a planting concept and just thinking, well, you'll see what looks good at the nursery and pick stuff off the shelf. Do not do this. If you've ever gone to a yard that they've done this, it looks what we call in the business hodgepodge. It looks just like a bunch of plants that don't really matter to each other, and they don't. The collection isn't greater than the sum of the parts, right? We want the whole thing to look amazing, and the dry creek plants are going to look different than the elevated manzanita and wood plants that you're going to put up on that little terrace. Think it through before you buy the plants, before you go to the nursery. Fourth thing is mulch. Order way more mulch than you think is necessary because it's going to dissipate and it's going to degrade. So have a good layer of project mulch, but then also plan to refresh that mulch yearly, if not sooner. The mulch maintenance is a big fail for most homeowners. And fifth, install the drip system. Convert your sprinklers or go onto your tap, or just find a way to get a drip system, automate this. It's efficient, it's a great way to hydrate the plants, and you don't have to trust yourself and beat yourself up for missing on the water schedule, the drip system. So the planting mix, prep the space, make it interesting, have a planting plan, a planting list. Don't go to the nursery without it. The mulch and the drip irrigation. Good luck, Weise Landscaping.